Shout out to Queens for Christ the King. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Nike Zoom Lebron 3, Christ the King. Now, this is the first LeBron retro for the Lebron 3. We've been teased with a bunch of retros by LeBron himself. We had a St. Vincent St. Mary's colorway that was teased that has yet to release, and he also wore a couple of colorways while he was still with the Cavs. However, this is the first time we're seeing the Nike Zoom Lebron 3 since its original release in 2005. This is also a new colorway, technically. The Christ the King colorway was initially just a PE, just for the Christ the King players at the time. However, this never saw a retail release, so this is also the first retail release of the Christ the King colorway. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the red on red Nike sportswear box with the slide out design, and everybody who's seen my channel before knows that I love slide out boxes. And the colorway is white and deep maroon. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a variety of materials on the upper. You've got patent leather, as well as synthetic paneling, suede, and you also got plastic detailing and leather. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the patent leather toe box with the leather ridged toe cap. Moving towards the tongue, you've got the classic LeBron crown logo, which has been phased out, and I don't know why, because it was a great logo. And you've got a synthetic tongue with the plastic design for the tongue tag, which has the LeBron lion on it. The Insole Is Maroon with the LeBron 2-3 logo. The sock liner is also this velvet-like design in maroon, and it feels really nice. Taking a look at the lateral, you've got the maroon base with the gold eyelets, and you also have this maroon overlay that says LeBron on it, and you have a white patent leather overlay with the maroon Nike swoosh. Moving towards the heel, you've got the white patent leather heel with the 3 at the top in Roman numerals, and on the inside, you've got the LeBron 2-3 logo. The medial also features the white patent leather with the LeBron 2-3 logo on the patent leather overlay. And you've got the maroon base with the overlay panels and the gold eye stays. And lastly, you've got the initial CTK for Christ the King. The midsole is white and maroon with the Zoom Air unit. And the outsole is a combination of gold and maroon with the carbon fiber plate at the midfoot and the gold Nike swoosh on the heel. I was never a really big fan of the Lebron 3. It's a large and bulky shoe. It's so heavy, and it's so hard to get into. However, the Christ the King colorways for just about all of the shoes that LeBron has done a PE for have been really nice, and this is no exception. Like, if this was just sitting in my closet or on display, it's a beautiful piece. Am I gonna walk in it a lot? Absolutely not, because it's a heavy, unless you've worn a pair of, from the Air Zoom generation, so I want to say about the Lebron 5, they're the heaviest shoes in the world. The 6 through 9 are a bit on the lighter side. The 10 through 14 are back to bulky, and the 15 is kind of like in the middle. I really like the 15, but the first 5 silhouettes are definitely far and away just the most bulky shoes, and they're a product of their time. It's not like this isn't the norm. If you've seen the Kobe 1 and 2, they're also really bulky silhouettes, but this shoe is just, this shoe to wear is just so heavy. I'm rambling a little bit, but I need to stress how heavy a LeBron 3 is. However, this shoe is still a really nice colorway, and as a display piece, it's absolutely beautiful. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. 6 for a retail price of $175. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.